What's up, YouTube world? Another pink package drop off on deck. Before we get into that, the wife told me that you guys have been asking about a status update on the Bop It challenge. So, where are we at on the Bop It challenge? I'm catching up. I've gotten up to 67 on Bop It. Now, you know, in our house, probably like you guys, you're doing just a lot of games and stuff because, you know, not a whole lot else to do other than go to the hardware store, go grocery shopping, or exercise and work out. So we've been breaking out other games besides Bop It. We've been playing Mario Kart. I've been kicking butt in Mario Kart, although my son has gotten better than me. The wife comes in usually third. She's getting better. So we've been playing a lot of Mario Kart. We kind of laid off the Bop It. I think we're probably going to be busting out the Monopoly here or Spades or something. So, I mean, we have no shortage of games. We have a lot of board games. We've always got, you know, the old school card decks where we can play Spades or Uno or something. We've got, you know, multiple video game systems. So I don't know, it's been kind of neat to kind of go back and do a lot of the, you know, old activities that we hadn't done in a while. Last night I have an old Nintendo GameCube and a PS2. That are actually hooked up that I never played. So I played those this weekend. You know, we got a couple of different Xboxes. We got the Wii U, you know, had no Wii, so just breaking out the old video games. But what I want to do is win this Bop It challenge. Now, I've been trying to practice in the house, but there's a lot of haters in my house. As you guys probably know, there's a lot of haters. You probably got haters you deal with in your own family, try to sabotage you. So what I thought I'd do on this run is kind of practice away from everybody's glaring eyes and go ahead and get this 100 score. Like I said, I've gotten up to 67, so let me go ahead and get to this 100 so that we can record it. And this will be on tape. So you guys will see where I finally tied my wife and got 100. Let's get this started.
Solo. High score 100.
So that's the high score, 100. That's my wife.
Bop it. Twist it. Oh.
All right, that was...
My first time playing
Hold on,
Bop It.
hold on.
Score 1.
All right, let's try again.
Pass it. Beat bop. Beat bop. Pass it. Solo. High score 100. Bop it. Twist it. Pull it. Twist it. Pull it. Bop it. Bop it. Bop it. Twist it. Bop it. Pull it. Bop it. Bop it. Twist it. Bop it. Twist it. Pull it. Twist it. Twist it. Twist it. Bop it. Bop it. Pull it. Bop it. Twist it. Twist it. Bop it. Yow! Hello? Score 26. High score 100. Bop it. Twist it. Pull it. Pull it. Twist it. Bop it. Bop it. Pull it. Pull it. Twist it. Bop it. Twist it. Pull it. Twist it. Bop it. Twist it. Pull it. Twist it. Bop it. Twist it. Bop it. Pull it. Twist it. Pull it. Bop it. Pull it. Bop it. Pull it. Pull it. Twist it. Twist it. Pull it. Twist it. Pull it. Bop it. Pull it. Twist it. Pull it. Bop it. Pull it. Pull it. Bop it. Pull it. Bop it. Pull it. Pull it. Bop it. Bop it. Pull it. Pull it. Bop it. it. Bop it. Pull it. Twist it. Bop it. Bop it. Bop it. Pull it. Yo! You can do this. Score 79.
All right, 79. I'm getting there. See, that's a life lesson. You got to get those haters out of your life. You get those haters out, you can do some things, okay? 79, y'all heard it. You heard it, okay? That's all I'm saying to you. Words of wisdom. You can learn something from these guys. All right, shout outs. Farrah W, Miramar, Florida. You guys know how much we love Florida. Daphne A, Lithonia, Georgia. Shout out to Lithonia. Actually grew up not too far from Lithonia, Georgia. Home team. Stephanie R from Tupelo, Mississippi. Shout out to Mississippi. A lot of these sound like repeat orders. These names and cities are sounding real familiar. So, of course, like I always say, we love our new customers, but also shout out to you guys that give us repeat business. You know, I know we have to earn your business, so that is much appreciated. Michelle S, Silver Spring, Maryland. Big package for Michelle here. Nina B, Little Elm, Texas. So I know that's a new order from Nina. So thank you, Nina, because I don't remember calling out Little Elm. So thanks to Nina. Appreciate those new orders as well as returning. And then Angela J from Detroit, Michigan. So shout out to Detroit. So you know what it is. Pink package, drop off time, and shout out time. Customer appreciation time. Shout out to all the moms out there that are, you know, trying to hold it down with the kids and the jobs. And during this time, it's very stressful for you guys. But anyway, quick shout outs. As usual, I have packages for both UPS and FedEx here. Not UPS and FedEx, I'm sorry. UPS and the Postal Service. I'm sitting here in the parking lot of UPS, where it's usually, there's also in this parking lot a Home Goods, a Ross, Michael's is behind me, and then there's an Office Depot and a Marshall's. And usually it is packed over here, but it's literally like probably 10 cars in this parking lot. UPS is right in front of me up here. And so it's kind of eerie. They got a line. So I guess you can get pickup in Michael's, but you have a social distancing line and people have on their masks to get stuff out of Michael's. Tamaya P from Upper Marlboro, Maryland. Shout out to Maryland. Donna N from Phoenix, Arizona. I think this is our first one to Phoenix that I recall reading. Another one from Arizona. It's not Phoenix. Queen Creek, Arizona. Wanda M. I've never been to Queen Creek, but I've been to Phoenix. Actually, one of our best vacations was in Phoenix. So you guys know, if you watch the channel, one of the main places we like to go on vacation is Disney. But our other one of the other favorite things we like to do on vacation, we're real big hikers. We love national parks. So a few years ago, and I don't think we put it on YouTube or anything. I think it might be on Instagram, but this is years ago. We went to Phoenix for vacation and drove out to the Grand Canyon and had a wonderful, wonderful time. So really love doing stuff like that. We've been to Yosemite a couple of times. We've been to the Grand Canyon, a few other national parks. We go to the North Georgia mountains and some national parks. There's some good ones here in Georgia and in the Appalachians. So we like to do that as well. You know, we'll vary. We'll do some city vacations and go to, you know, Toronto or Paris or London or Chicago or New York. But then we also like, you know, a little bit of the wilderness stuff. So we're pretty versatile in terms of our vacationing that we like to do. We do the islands occasionally. It's been a few years since we've been to the Caribbean, but we've been all over the Caribbean and Hawaii. So yeah, we like to do a few different things on vacation. And are we missing vacation? Yes. What's up, y'all? We got another quick pink package run today. This is going to be a quick one. Our first shout out is to Belinda V out of Houston, Texas. And our second package for today, and this is a nice thick one, Sharice L from North Chesterfield, VA. I'm telling you, Virginia represents. You get a lot of orders from Virginia. Another type of order that we get, and I know for a fact these two ladies, we get a lot of our first time orders. So thank you both.
Today is Tuesday. I hope everyone's day is off to an amazing start. Thanks so much for stopping in today, guys. I was getting ready to close out the video and I realized that I had not spoken one word, I don't believe, to you guys. So, hi guys, hope you all are well. I just finished showering and washing my hair. You guys know I said I was going to take my sew-in out. So I did that today and I decided to just let my hair do its own thing today. It has really grown a lot. I do need to actually color it, and I am all out of the color that I use, so it is looking more brown and gray today than black, but we're just gonna have to roll with it. But right now I am about to remove this robe, get dressed, because I have some packages that I need to get into the mail. So I'm headed to FedEx and not FedEx, UPS and the post office. But I just couldn't end the vlog without coming in and saying hi to you guys. I redid my nails. As you can see, this is a different color. I wanted to again say thank you so very much to those of you who gave me the tips for the nails. Many of you, and I mentioned this in the last video, I think it was, or maybe the video before that, you guys said, don't take the brush and polish, just have the brush here and let my fingers do the work, and that has helped out tremendously. And then some of you also said, just enjoy it, don't get in there and, you know, start rushing. And that's what I did on yesterday when I did my nails. I just pulled up some Netflix shows and just really enjoyed the process, and I have to say I really like it, and they turned out even better than the last time. And this is a Sally Hansen polish. Sally Henson or Sally Hansen? Sally Henson? I don't know. The polish is over in my other room, but I want to say this is like a dark cherry. I think that's the name of it, but it dries super fast, and then I use just an OPI top coat. So yeah, that's the update on my nails. But again, I hope everyone's week is off to an amazing start. Like I said, today's Tuesday at the time that I'm filming this, so I really do hope that you all are well. It's after 12, so I've already had my coffee, but I do have my, this is actually just lime water today, no lemons in here. I actually need to pick up some more lemons. Yeah, so you guys know I've been here as of late. I've been drinking my water out of the little water bottles, but I find myself having to refill those too frequently. And so I decided to upgrade to a bigger jar, and I am, you know, able to get more water in without having to refill as soon. But you guys will have to let me know what you think about my hair. I have not worn my hair out in a while, especially without my clip-ins, and I don't know, I think I am really liking it. I am actually trying out some new hair products that I will share with you guys here really soon. I want to continue to use them to make sure I am liking them before I come to you guys with said products, but I am actually really loving the bounce. Yeah, but anyway, I'm not gonna start rambling on. I want to go ahead, get dressed, and get these packages out to you guys. And thanks so much for all of the support that you guys continue to show over at the store. Keep in mind also that those of you who want to be entered, or consider for the contest, that it is coming up really quickly. There'll be 2 winners. You'll have that Target gift card and a host of other items, so don't forget that. You can go back and look at a few other videos if you want to, if you don't know about all the contest rules and everything. I think I have something over on Instagram too. But anyway, really appreciate you guys stopping in today. Cannot thank you all enough once again for the love and support. Stay healthy, guys, and I'll see you all in the next video.